Hello, my name is Alfonso, and I'm going to be explaining the unit circle from the start. First, we have the circle, and we split the circle in four. These are the four quadrants, and now we split each quadrant in half. And then we split each quadrant in three. Okay, now that we have this, we are gonna count first the degrees. So we have 0 degrees here, and at the right, 0 degrees, and then we have we at the top we have 90 degrees. At the left we have 180, and at the bottom we have 270. So these are the main ones, and now we are gonna count them in fourths of pi, which are by 45. So here we have 45 degrees, we have 90, then we have 135, and then we have 180, and then we have 225, we have 270, and then we have 315. And now we are gonna count in sixths of pi. So in the first one we have 30, and these go by 30. So we have 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. We have then 210. Then we have 240, 270. Then we have 300 and 330. And at the end, in the same as the 0 degrees, we have 360 degrees. Now we, in red, are gonna count the terms of pi. So at the left, we have pi. Well, this is first I show you how it's going. Now we have pi, and first we are gonna count the terms of thirds of pi, no, sixths of pi. So in 30 degrees, we have 1/6 of pi, which is pi over 6. Then in 60 degrees, we have 2 pi over 6, which is pi over 3. Then in 90 degrees, we have 3 pi over 6, which is 1/2 of pi, pi over 2. Then in 120, we have 4 over 6 pi, 4 pi over 6, which is 2/3 of pi, 2 pi over 3. And then in 150, we have 5 pi over 6. Then we have pi. Then in 210, we have 7 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6. Then in 240, we have 8 pi over 6, which is 4/3 of pi, 4 pi over 3. And in 270, we have 9 pi over 6, which is 3 pi over 2. In 300, we have 10 pi over 6, which is 5/3 of pi, 5 pi over 3. Then in 230 degrees, we have 11 pi over 6. Now we're gonna count the terms of fourths of pi. So in 45, we have 1/4 of pi, which is pi over 4. In 135, we have 3/4 of pi, which is 3 pi over 4. Then in 225, we have 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4. And then in 315, we have 7 pi over 4. And in 360, we have again 2 pi. This is how it's going. This. And now, finally, we're gonna count the coordinates in blue. So first at right, we have 1, 0. Then at the top, we have 0, 1. At the left, we have -1, 0, or -1, 0. And at the bottom, we have 0, -1. Now, in terms of in 6 of pi, we have in 30 degrees, first we have square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. And first of all, in the first quadrant, all of them are positive. And in the second quadrant, x's are negative. In the third quadrant, all of them are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, y's are negative. So here we have in 60 degrees, 1/2, square root of 3 over 2. Then in 120, we have -1/2, square root of 3 over 2. In 150, we have negative square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. Then in 210 degrees, we have negative square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. And in 240, we have negative 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. Then in 300, we have 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. And in 330 degrees, we have square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. And finally, we're gonna count the fourths of pi. So in 45 degrees, we have square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. We have the same in second quadrant in 135. Here is negative square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. Then in 225, we have negative square root of 2, 2. No, negative square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. And then in 315, we have square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. And this is all. So now I just forgot to write the symbol for degrees. We have this circle. Don't forget to put the symbol of degrees. And that's it. This is how it ends. And it has to look like this. So, yeah, like this. So we have the degrees, we have the terms of pi, and we have the coordinates. So that's all.